everybody. We're so happy to have you guys here. I appreciate so much your willingness to travel here, to spend time with us, to make sure that you're in the know of what's going on here at the museum, and for us to learn more about what you're doing back home. What you provide for that connection from your club to ours is so incredibly important.
Hi, my name is Dana Bounds. I'm here with Classic Glass Corvette Club out of Marietta, Georgia. I'm excited to learn a lot more about the museum and what it means to be an ambassador. I'm getting ready to go into the new ambassador orientation. I am super excited to learn what our club can do to get further involved with the museum. So just very excited to learn.
My name is Mary Ann Lewandowski, and I'm with the Lancaster County Corvette Club in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And one of the things that I've been so glad to take away from the Ambassador Academy has been just meeting all the other ambassadors, getting to talk with them about how they're promoting the National Corvette Museum through their club, learning from them, sharing things that we do with our club. We like to promote the National Corvette Museum at each of our club meetings and through our social media and our newsletter. One of the other benefits of being an ambassador is getting information ahead of time about things that are coming to the museum or through the Corvette plant. So it gives us an in where we can share things that are coming that may not be publicized yet.
I can't wait to go back and share a lot of these learnings with my club and with other clubs around the area, and even with the next generation of Corvette owners.